Hi guys, FPJ here. Welcome to another episode of Unboxing with FPJ. This is for Manual to Life and Tech Manual, and today we have the Huawei Sound Joy. This is the latest speakers that Huawei has released, and we could consider this one as a smart speaker. Why? Let's check that later on. But before that, let's check the other features that is indicated on the box itself. It says here that it has the DV-Lit 4-unit punchy sound. It has 26 hours of playback and has the Shake Stereo link up. So the description is also there, and we also have here the simple instructions on which you could turn on and connect the speaker to your device, especially if you have a Huawei device. Now, before we open this one up, I noticed that this speaker is quite big, probably bigger than the average tumbler, but it's still very handy that you could bring it anywhere. And according to this one, I got the spruce green color, and as indicated there, that will be the look of the speaker once I open this one up. So, okay, I think we're ready, and let's unbox the Huawei Sound Joy. Okay, so we have here, I guess, is the charger. So, open this one up. Okay, of course, the warranty card, some of the instructions. We have the charging cord, okay, which I believe is a type C to USB, and that's great. Okay, let's put this aside. Oh, nice. Okay, and as you can see, yeah, it's identical to what we have in the box. We have the DV-Lit logo, we have the Huawei logo, we have this knitted texture. Of course, we have the rubber controls, we have, of course, the charging port, and as you can see from both sides, or you could say the top or the bottom part, it has the speakers, and definitely this part is also a speaker as well. We have something like this plus and minus sign, which I assume is the volume, and this cord, so you make sure that you can carry it anywhere. We have several buttons here like the volume, the power, the Bluetooth, etc. And as you can see, we have the DV-Lit logo on both sides, and I would say it's as heavy as the normal portable speaker, but let's try to turn it on now. As you can see, it could stand like vertically, or you could face it down horizontally because it has these pegs. Yan. So it won't roll off. And of course, it has the handle, so you can bring it anywhere. Now, let's try to open this one up. See kung ano yung mangyayari. Oh, nice. You can see that yung sa base niya talagang gumagalaw. So yan, it turned it on already. Tapos ayan, nagbi-blink na yung Bluetooth. Let me open up my Huawei phone to see if it could connect. Sige, buksan din natin.